Let's convert CSV to QIF and import into Quicken 2018 for Windows. Free trial is available. First, open CSV to QIF converter. In this example, we use a sample CSV file. Set QIF target to match your Quicken version. Review transactions before converting. Make sure expenses are negative. And adjust mapping, if needed. Click Convert button to create a QIF file. Before importing, let's create a checking account, or use existing account. Click File, Import, QIF File, and select an account to import transactions. Success! Now we have transactions imported. Review. Edit. Delete. Move them.